Tiananmen Square, where thousands of students are still camped out. The soldiers have made no moves to remove the demonstrators.
Retaken Tiananmen Square, where thousands of demonstrators have been camped for the last 3 weeks.
Were last seen being taken at gunpoint.
Again, those soldiers were immobilized by the people. Huge crowds in the streets. It looked like people power was once again victorious over the People's Liberation Army. In some cases, the students and the soldiers were singing together. They were laughing, they were talking. The People's Liberation Army belongs over a period of 24 hours. That is the argument that was making sense to the army. Tens of thousands of Beijing citizens. They were stopped in their tracks, and eventually they went back the way they came. The soldiers then returned, not the same units, but others in rifles, and they carried off rifles packed in duffel bags. Those were the first weapons that had been seen once.
Now Sunday morning in Beijing, and Chinese army troops have retaken.
Here to be able to surround them and stop them.
The situation continued to grow more serious, and later Roth filed this report.
Okay, we've got to get out of here. They're after Derek now. They're ripping away his camera. They're ripping away his camera, and they're coming for us. We're trying to move back and move away.
Oh go! Oh go! Oh go! Oh go! Oh go! Oh go!
That was our last report from Richard.